This video covers rotations, one of the three rigid transformations. Another simpler word for rotation is to turn. For rotations, you really need to know three things. You need to know the center of rotation. That is a coordinate about which you're turning. You need to know the direction of rotation, whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise. And you need to know the number of degrees. That is how large a rotation you're doing. So our first problem we're going to do today, we're going to do a 90 degrees clockwise rotation about the indicated point. This is my center of rotation. We're going 90 degrees. 90 degrees is a quarter turn. It's going clockwise, so it'll look like this. I would put my pencil on the center of rotation, and I'm going to turn it 90 degrees, quarter turn. When the horizontal becomes a vertical, I know I've gone a quarter turn. I'm going to look at my point. Currently, this triangle is 1 unit up and 1 to the left of the indicated point for our center of rotation. So when I turn my paper back, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up 1 and 1 to the left. So I turn back, and I go up 1 and 1 to the left. There's that point that we had. Now I know this is going to be the case because in a 90 degree rotation, the horizontal change of 1, sorry, the vertical change of 1 becomes a horizontal change. And then the horizontal change becomes the vertical change. If I go back, this coordinate over here is going to be up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I go back, I'm going to go up 1 and 4 to the left. So turn, up 1 and 4 to the left. Now again, what I was saying about the horizontal becoming the vertical change in a 90 degree rotation. If currently this is down 4, it means we'll go over 4. If it's over 1, it means we go up 1. So that becomes that next point. Now I can use that same idea here. If it's down 4 and over 1, 2, 3, I'll go up 3 and over 4. Now if I turn the page, I can verify this. This corner up here, this vertex, is up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up 3 and over 4. Now just to show you a couple things that to kind of verify that what we're doing is correct. If we were to take our compass, set it on the center of rotation, set the radius to equal to one of the vertices on the triangle, and then turn it to its matched point, we're going to notice that the circle intersects its new image point. And this is actually going to be a 90 degree arc. It's going to be 1/4 of a circle. And we can do this for any point on the triangle about that center of rotation. So if I take it, put it on the center of rotation, open it up to another point on the triangle, I can turn it, and it'll intersect its corresponding point, and again it'll be a quarter circle. We did a 90 degree rotation, 90 degrees is 1/4 of a circle. Now let's try a 180 rotation. Now you'll notice on the 180 rotation it says indicated point, it gives me the degrees, but it doesn't give me a direction. That's because a 180 rotation is the same clockwise to counterclockwise. Half a turn doesn't matter which way you go. So go ahead and pause the video, try this problem, and resume it when you're ready. I'll give you a moment. All right, hopefully you've had a chance to try it. 180 rotation is half a turn. So if I put my pencil here and do half a turn. Quarter turn's 90. Another quarter turn would be 180. So this is where my triangle is going to end up. From the center of rotation, it will be up and to the right. So currently, this point is up 1 and 1 to the right. So when I turn back, I'm going to do that. From the center of rotation, I'm going to go up 1 and 1 to the right. Turn back. It's up 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 1 to the right. So turn back, up 4, 2, 3, 4, 1 to the right. One more corner to go, one more vertex. This last vertex right here is up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3. Up 4 and over 3. So this becomes the triangle. This is the image of the original pre-image. Now in a 180-degree rotation, you basically have the same movement, it's just in the other direction. So instead of being down 1, 1 to the left, the opposite of that would be to go up 1 and 1 to the right. Or instead of going down 4 and 3 to the left, we're going up 4 and 3 to the right. All right, I hope this video helps you to do the rotations, and thank you for watching.